With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question given is match the following and choose the correct option. So two columns are given. In column 1 there are name of different classes of organisms. We know that the earth is divided into different classes of plants and animals, and in column 2 examples of these organisms are given. So you have to match these two columns. The first example is the example of the class given is Phenophysi. So what are Phenophysi? This is an example of a class, and this consists of brown algae. We know that algae, they are eukaryotic organisms. They are small multicellular eukaryotic organisms. They are mainly present in the aquatic or marine environment, where they help in nutrition and habitat of other species. So there are different types of algae, like the green algae, like the brown algae, red algae, and these Phenophysi, they are the classes of brown algae, and they are also known as edible seaweeds because they are commercially used as a food thickener. Okay, so thus this is the, if we see Phenophysi, this is the brown algae, and if we see the options here, the third option, Ectocarpus, Dictyota, and Laminaria, these three examples are of brown algae. They are present in the aquatic environment of the northern hemisphere, and they form the habitat. Sometimes they are present on the above the water surface as a layer, and thus they help in the nutrition of other animals, other aquatic organisms. So here if we see the examples, then the third example, this one, it goes with A. It matches with Phenophysi. The second option is Rhodophysi. This Rhodophysi is also another class of algae, and they are the red algae. So why they are red in color? Because they have the red pigment which is known as phoerythrin. So this presence of phoerythrin, it helps in the algae to obtain the red color, and they are also present in the aquatic marine environment. And examples of red algae, they are Polysiphonia, Porphyria, and Gracilaria. These three are red algae which are multicellular eukaryotic organisms. So this is the right match with B. The third option is mosses. What are mosses? Mosses are bryophyta. So bryophyta is another class of organisms, and they are a dense mass of cells which look like dark green dense clump. So these bryophyta, they do not have well differentiated root stems, etc., and that is why they appear as a dense lump, and they are present in the swampy areas. So mosses, they are most common examples of bryophyta. There are huge number of species of mosses. So the most common species of mosses, they are Funaria, Polytrichum, and Sphagnum. These are known as peat moss because they form peat, and they help in water retention for higher plants. So this peat moss, this is the right example for option C. Option D, Pteridophyta. What are Pteridophytas? Pteridophytas are the first cryptogams, first tracheophytes. So these are vascular plants. The Pteridophytas, they have differentiated root stems, etc. And these plants, they are seedless, and they reproduce by the means of spores. So they are the first terrestrial plants which appeared on the earth, Pteridophyta. And fern, this is the most common example of Pteridophyta. So if we see here, Pteris, Xylotum, and Equisetum, all these, they are examples of pteridophytic plants. So this is option D. Thus the right pair here, A matches with 3, B matches with 4, C matches with 1, and D matches with 2. So this is the right option for this question. This is the right match. I hope this solves your doubt. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.